Spas and salons can take longer to open and be safe to visit. However, you do not need to depend on them for your weekend relaxation. You should take advantage of this opportunity and make the most of it. A DIY spa day is most likely what you need to feel energized and rejuvenated after a busy week at work. Hello everyone and welcome to Fashionable Nari. My name is Garima and today I will share what I do for my hair and skin on weekends. So the first thing I will do is a DIY hair spa. For that, I'm using Amrutam Kuntal hair care spa. So I will take out some Kuntal hair spa in a bowl. Remember to always shake the product before you put it in a bowl. It smells Ayurvedic with no fake fragrance and the texture of this product is really smooth. Before I apply this spa, I will run my comb through my hair just to detangle my hair. Doing this will help in less hair fall. So I will start by applying it from the roots to the tips. I strongly believe that your hair mask should contain ingredients to address your specific hair concerns. You can buy a hair spa product at the store, depending on what your concerns are. Like this Amrutam Kuntal hair care spa is great to revitalize the scalp and helps in strengthening the hair roots. It is also very useful in preventing hair loss, helps hair regrowth and keeps your hair healthy and black. The actual product comes in a simple plain plastic bottle with a golden screw top lid and it is very affordable hair spa treatment that you can totally do by yourself. If you have long hair, pull it up into a hair bun after you finish applying your hair mask. Leave it on for about 30 to 40 minutes. While the hair spa is on, I will steam my hair. Steam allows the pores on your scalp to open up, promoting the absorption of the previously applied product on the scalp. Ensure that the towel you are using is clean. So dip it in some warm water before you wrap it around your head. Leave it on till the towel is cooled down. While the hair spa is on, I will next move on to my skin. In my previous video also, I told you guys that I have acne prone skin. That is one of the major concerns I have. I like to mask 2 to 3 times in a week. And I use face mask to specifically target my acne concern. I recommend looking for these things while shopping for an acne fighting skincare product. You can look for a mask that contains salicylic acid and other AHA/BHAs that can help unclog your pores. You can also look for product with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial ingredients like honey, turmeric, green tea, etc. that can help to get the root cause of acne issue. Apart from this, you can also look for products with the ingredients like clay and charcoal. These powerful ingredients can help draw out impurities and toxins from the pores without drying the skin. For this, I love to apply Amrutam charcoal face mask. It gives me a tingling sensation when I apply it and I absolutely love it. This face mask contains certain incredible ingredients that are well known for their skin curing properties. I will take out the desired face mask quantity in a bowl and then apply this on my face and neck, except for the sensitive areas like my eyes and mouth. This face mask will help reduce acne breakouts and will also help to reduce dark spots and pigmentation that an acne leaves behind. Often when I don't get enough time to mask, I use this as a spot remedy for my pimples and the acne. It gives a cooling sensation feeling when applied to the skin and it helps to decrease redness and inflammation. Then I will leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, I will dip a microfiber cloth in lukewarm water and then massage gently in circular motion to exfoliate my skin. Avoid rubbing vigorously and during an active breakout. Lastly, just rinse it off with some cold water. And then, while I was doing all this, it's almost time to wash my hair. As usual, with some shampoo and conditioner, I will just wash my hair. Remember, do not use hot water to wash your hair, it can damage your hair. Lukewarm water is recommended while washing your hair to prevent further damage and dryness. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fashionable Nari for more such videos. Till then, I'm Garima signing off today. See you in my next video. Bye bye.